Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day. Just wanted to come and show you guys real quick my little setup. I am sitting here getting ready to put some labels and stamps on some postcards for the Instant Cash Solution program that I've been talking about for quite some time now. And I just want to show you real quick how it's set up and how you can do the same. Let me flip this over. Check out this postcard I have, guys. 100 to 500 daily. Don't talk, don't sell, don't chase, don't panic, right? Okay. Then we send them to this particular capture page that's in the back office of Instant Cash Solution. How to make money from home online. Learn how average people are making $3,000 to $5,000 per month using this simple system. Send them there, guys, right? So when they go there, they opt in and they go to the landing page, right? The sales page. And they go here and it basically says what I have on the card. Okay, let's go down. We'll show you his testimonies. They can see all that right here. 100 to 500, right? Perfect. So you can use postcards just like this. You can put your picture on there, okay? I can get you in touch with the vendor that I used for these, okay? And we can get you some postcards, and you can do the same for Instant Cash Solution, guys, okay? And remember, see, the lowest you can make is $100. That's what I like, okay? So you can spend $35 to send out 100 postcards for this program. And just think, even if you got one sale, that's good. Right? But you're going to get leads. People are going to opt into this page here, and they're going to go into the funnel, which the company has an autoresponder set up. So it's going to follow up, as well as you can broadcast to your list. That's what I like about Instant Cash Solution. You can actually send out emails as well, okay, to your list from your back office to follow up, okay? So postcard marketing for Instant Cash Solution, guys, so you can get started as well. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and put a link below for it so you can get started with the program. And I've got a good bonus, a special bonus for the $300 level and the $500 level. Okay, so reach out to me on that. But let's get you started. So I'm going to put the link below for it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload the videos, okay? Till next time, I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.